Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video we are looking at the Cdvi CubeKit Bluetooth relay. So in the previous video we've set this device up, we've added a fob and we've added a smartphone. All we're going to do now is launch the app and look at some of the features we can do with the relay. So let's launch the app, then we can connect to the cube, type in our password, and that will bring us to the landing window. In the landing window you can see transmitter, smartphone setting and test and so on. So what we're going to primarily look at is settings, and there you can see device with the turquoise arrow. Click on that, and this is the output. So at the top there, device name if you need to change it, but then you have things like the relay output, pulse, latch or timed. Pulse is a simple pulse output, momentary output, somewhere between 3/4 of a second and a second. That's if you're going to connect it to an access control device where you don't want to increase the lock output time. Then you have latch, maybe directly controlling a light. So you can click the relay once, the light stays on, click it again, the light goes off. And then the last option is timed. If you're going to directly control a lock or mag lock or something like that, you'll have the timed output, which can give, as the name suggests, it's momentary, much like pulse, but it gives you a timed output. As you can see here, it's set for 5 seconds. If you want to change that, you can. You simply go into it, type in a new number, click done, and then apply. Once that's applied, that's it. The lock output is now changed from a timed output of 5 to 4 seconds. And if you want to, you've got that button there that says test. I don't know if you can hear the relay if I try it. Let's try. The relay pulsed for 4 seconds. And there we are. That's the advanced relay settings for the Cdvi CubeKit. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.